Bāyazīd Basṭāmī, a Persian mystic and Muslim scholar of the 9th century, was among the greatest mystics of all time. The tomb of Bāyazīd Basṭāmī is located at this historical complex, which has monuments that were built in different eras, but most of them are from the Ilkhanid period.
This complex has many structures that are dating back to 700 to 900 years ago, but it is mainly important for Bāyazīd Basṭāmī, who is buried here, a great mystic and Islamic scholar who was born 1300 years ago to a Zoroastrian family, and then he converted to Islam and became one of the students of Imam Ja'far as-Sadiq, the 6th Shia Imam.
He traveled around the world and served more than 100 teachers and masters and learned from them all. It is said he took over 12 years for his pilgrim to Mecca. He performed 2 prayers in every small village and in every stop he made to the house of God. He said the house of God is not like a king's palace that you can enter whenever you wish and enter fast. When he arrived in Mecca, again he performed many prayers.